selfie video. What time is it?
12:40.
It's 12:40 in the morning, and that sound. The sound. Stop, Matt. That's your hearing. That would be hail. Hey, you can't see me because you pulled my light away. That's hail. We're in the middle of a pretty strong storm. In Ernie, we decided earlier not to abandon ship. Not sure if that was the smartest idea or not. So we're riding the storm, and I guess we'll see what happens in the morning. But Penny and Ernie are being hailed on right now, but I guess we should just be happy that we're not the ones being hailed on at the moment. So the hail's not scaring me as much as the wind was scaring me when we were being rocked around like a bassinet. We'll report tomorrow in the light of day when we can make an assessment of the damage, which hopefully isn't too bad. Bye.